I wanted to make a quick accessory to the selection tools video. This one talks specifically about isolation mode. So just to illustrate the point, I'm going to take these objects. This set is a group already. This is a single object. So what I'm going to do is group these together. So now I've got two groups. Command G, I've grouped those together. What isolation, and let's say these are all stacked on top of each other for whatever reason. Okay. Get this out of the way. So I've got this little group here, which is a single object in the background with a group of objects on top. If I look inside this group, it's actually two groups. These are grouped together, and then this is separate. So what I want to do now is isolate just this group, so that when I try to make a selection, like right now I want to select this area, but I'm getting that star below as well. I don't want that to happen. I want to be able to work only on this group. So by double clicking on an object, you can see now that everything else is sort of faded out a little bit, and you can see that this is one group together. And now I'm inside this group. Move my tools palette down. You can see it gives you breadcrumbs. So I'm in layer 1. I'm in a group. I can now double click this group, isolate it alone. Now I'm working only in this group, so and I can drag these tools around, or drag these objects around as if they weren't grouped. And then I could go further, double click on this star, and now I've isolated only this star inside this group. So if I wanted to come in here and use some manipulation tools or some selection tools to make modifications to the star by itself without the concern of worrying, without the concern of changing objects that it's associated with, I can now do that pretty easily. Double clicking again on the white background, just in your white space or in the back of the artboard, gets you out of isolation mode. So now I'm back to the normal space where I have all these things grouped together again. So that can be really useful, especially when you have more complex scenes where things are stacked on top of each other.